cottage gardens are a symphony of color, texture, and fragrance, creating a nostalgic and charming atmosphere. To achieve this timeless aesthetic, selecting the right flowers is crucial. We'll explore the 10 best cottage garden flowers that promise to turn your outdoor space into a haven of beauty and tranquility. 1. Roses' quintessential elegance. No cottage garden is complete without roses. Their timeless beauty, variety of colors, and sweet fragrance make them a staple. Old-fashioned varieties like English roses or climbing roses add a touch of romance, while modern hybrids offer vibrant hues. Plant them along fences, arbors, or in mixed borders for a classic cottage garden feel. 2. Lupins' towering elegance. Lupins, with their spiky blooms in various shades, bring vertical interest to cottage gardens. These hardy perennials thrive in well-drained soil and can add a vibrant burst of color to borders or alongside pathways. Choose from traditional lupin varieties or opt for modern hybrids that offer a broader color palette. 3. Delphiniums' majestic spikes of blue. Delphiniums, with their towering spikes of blue, create a stunning focal point in cottage gardens. These perennial beauties prefer well-drained soil and add a touch of cottage charm. Consider planting them in the back of your flower beds to showcase their impressive height and vivid hues. 4. Foxgloves' whimsical elegance. Foxgloves, with their tubular flowers in various shades, bring a touch of whimsy to cottage gardens. These biennials or short-lived perennials are perfect for adding height to borders and provide a delightful contrast to lower-growing flowers. Their bell-shaped blooms attract pollinators, adding life to your garden. 5. Geraniums' continuous color. Hardy geraniums, not to be confused with pelargoniums, offer a profusion of delicate blooms in shades of pink, purple, and blue. These low-maintenance perennials are perfect for cottage gardens, providing continuous color throughout the growing season. Plant them along pathways or in mixed borders for a delightful display. 6. Sweet peas' fragrant cascades of color. Sweet peas, known for their intoxicating fragrance and delicate flowers, are a must-have in cottage gardens. These annual climbers add vertical interest to fences, trellises, or archways, and their pastel hues bring a touch of nostalgia. Regular deadheading encourages continuous blooming. 7. Lavender aromatic elegance. Lavender, with its fragrant spikes of purple, blue, or white, is a staple in cottage gardens. This aromatic herb not only adds visual appeal, but also attracts pollinators. Plant lavender along pathways, in borders, or as a backdrop to other flowers for a sensory experience in your garden. 8. Poppies, whimsical and vibrant. Poppies, with their papery petals and vibrant hues, add a touch of whimsy to cottage gardens. Oriental poppies and California poppies are popular choices, offering shades of red, orange, and pink. These self-seeding annuals or perennials create a natural and carefree look in your garden. 9. Hollyhocks' vertical elegance. Hollyhocks, with their tall spikes of flowers in various colors, bring vertical elegance to cottage gardens. These hardy perennials thrive in well-drained soil and can be planted against fences or walls for a striking display. Their old-world charm makes them a favorite in traditional cottage garden designs. 10. Daisies, simple and charming. Daisies, with their simple yet charming blooms, are quintessential cottage garden flowers. Shasta daisies, margarites, or oxeye daisies add a touch of simplicity and purity to your garden. These perennials are easy to grow and can be planted in drifts for a naturalistic look. Creating a cottage garden is like painting a masterpiece with living brushstrokes. The selection of the right flowers plays a pivotal role in achieving the desired ambiance. By incorporating these 10 best cottage garden flowers, from the classic elegance of roses to the whimsical charm of daisies, you can transform your outdoor space into a haven of natural beauty. Let your garden bloom with the timeless allure of these enchanting flowers, and savor the joy they bring to both heart and soul. Happy gardening!